the last part we'll be adding now is we want our news, our input part where we're going to put the email address to be bolder, to have almost this size of subscribe. Are you getting it now? So let's quickly do that. So it's as simple as we just say our newsletter, then input. So this is input type email. Now this is how we declare it in our HTML. So that is the same way we're just going to declare it and all that. This particular input type email inside newsletter. So that's what we want to deal with now. And we say padding 4 pixel, we say height 25 pixel, then width 250 pixel. So let's quickly see the outcome here. See how it's currently look, and then compare it to what we're going to have now. Can you see it now? So it's more beautiful, it looks more professional now. So it's going to be the same thing throughout. This is our about, and this is our services. Alright, see you in the next class. Bye.